You spend hundreds on serums, but your skin is still dull. Your expensive creams cannot fix a problem deep inside your dermis. The real issue is cellular suffocation hiding beneath your skin. Age isn't the killer, it is a total lack of airflow. Your microcirculation has collapsed, leaving your cells gasping for oxygen. But today, you will learn how to restart natural regeneration. I will show you how to flood your face with vitality, stop the suffocation, and reclaim your healthiest, most radiant glow. Now, look closely in the mirror at your skin's current tone. Do you see a gray undertone or dark, heavy circles? These are red flags that your cells are literally struggling. Without oxygen, your skin loses its natural, healthy glass texture. A study from Harvard shows blood flow drops as we age. This collapse in microcirculation leads directly to premature facial sag. Pollution and blue light create a barrier against cellular respiration. Urban environments act like a plastic wrap over your pores. Even your posture affects how much oxygen reaches your face. Shallow breathing limits the vital nutrients delivered to your dermis. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to Vital 50 Plus. Now, join our community for more science-based ways to stay young. We focus on natural health to revive your inner glow. Nitrate vegetables, like beets, can help dilate your blood vessels. Eating these daily improves circulation from the very first bite. Specific facial movements can also force oxygenated blood to the surface. Poor circulation is the silent killer of your skin's elasticity. Modern life is slowly suffocating your skin's ability to heal. Harvard research confirms that oxygen debt destroys the moisture barrier. This lack of internal airflow stops your serums from working. You must fix the internal supply before applying any cream. But do you know which organ controls this entire repair process? The secret lies within a tiny engine inside every single cell. Next, we reveal the hidden science of how your cells breathe. Every cell in your body has a tiny engine called mitochondria. These engines use oxygen to create a vital energy called ATP. Think of ATP as the fuel for your skin's repair system. Without enough ATP, your skin cannot produce collagen or elastin. Studies from the NIH confirm that oxygen fuels these protein fibers. Low oxygen levels mean your skin loses its bounce and firmness. Breakthroughs in 2026 show how oxygen debt accelerates aging rapidly. When cells starve, your skin's natural moisture barrier begins to fail. This leads to chronic dryness that no lotion can truly fix. Optimized oxygen intake acts like a repair kit for your face. It speeds up the healing of hyperpigmentation and old acne scars. Think of oxygen as a natural light for your internal complexion. To boost these, focus on deep rhythmic breathing every single morning. One simple exercise can increase your blood's oxygen carrying capacity. Vitamin C also works better when your cells have enough oxygen. Together, they double the speed of your natural cellular turnover. This process replaces old, tired cells with fresh, glowing ones. Your diet plays a massive role in this internal oxygen delivery. Dark leafy greens are packed with nutrients that support blood health. Stronger blood means more oxygen reaches the very top layer. Nature provides the best tools to keep your skin breathing well. But how do you manually force this oxygen into your skin? There is a specific thermal technique that changes everything instantly. Wait until you see how temperature shifts can revive your cells. Next, we explore the latest innovations and the lifestyle protocol. Latest skincare innovations now feature stabilized oxygen carriers for the skin. These advanced formulas help bypass the lungs to deliver oxygen directly. Studies show perfluorocarbons can significantly boost surface oxygen levels in minutes. But you can achieve amazing results using simple, natural, daily habits. Start your morning with a specific oxygen-first breathwork routine. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds to flood your blood with vitality. This simple act dilates vessels before you even apply your skincare. Next, implement specific thermal shifts during your daily face wash. Alternate between lukewarm and cool water to shock your microcirculation. This vascular gymnastics forces fresh, oxygenated blood to the dermis. Combine this with targeted massage movements to manually drain toxins. Use upward strokes to lift the skin and invite fresh flow. Nutrition is your 24/7 internal engine for a radiant, healthy glow. Nitrate-rich foods like spinach and pomegranate naturally dilate your blood vessels. These foods act like a natural nitric oxide boost for your face. Harvard research suggests a direct link between diet and skin oxygen. Avoid heavy processed sugars that can clog your tiny facial capillaries. Clean blood ensures that every cell receives the air it needs. Consistency with these movements will reclaim your skin's healthiest version. You don't need surgery when your biology is working for you. Your skin is a living organ that deserves to breathe freely. Start today and watch your complexion transform from gray to gold. But what happens when you combine these steps with one final secret? Stick around for the outro to see how to lock in these results. Stop letting your skin suffocate and start letting it breathe today. Implement these thermal shifts and breathe deeply for a lasting glow. If you enjoyed this science-backed guide, please hit the like button. Check out our other videos for more secrets to graceful aging. Subscribe to Vital 50 Plus to join our journey toward vibrant health. Stay radiant, stay healthy, and I will see you very soon.